Okay, so we're gonna put the integer array here because we wanna so let's just put this is our declaration for integer array. So let's just put new integer for this is array initialization. So we're gonna integer array and 0 and just make it 10. We are putting the value of array. So we are gonna put we want to view all arrays. Okay, for each integer a in integer array. So we're gonna put all the integer a in integer array. Debug log a so we want to show the index, the value of index, just name it 3, is plus integer array 3. So let's just save this script. So let's just play this. So we're gonna assign the script to main camera. So just now we assign it to the cube. Well, I just want to show you that we have options. You don't have to have a game object to assign the script, but you can also just assign with anything that exists in the scene, which is main camera. So we have our inspector here, and let's just assign the array. Okay, good to go. And let's just play it and see how it's gonna go. Okay, wait. Oh, I think I have to delete this. Okay, so let's just play it. I thought I have assigned it already. Okay, and wait. Oh, probably it was in. Okay, so we play it. Uh-oh. Okay, guys, so I'm now change the integer to public integer array. So let's just save it. And see how it goes. My God. Okay, guys, so I have assigned the array script to the main camera. Okay, you can see it. So when I hit play, it's gonna appear this one, view all arrays. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, and the value of index 3 is 40. And besides, I also have put the integer array to public. Okay, so before public we don't make it public. So once we put it public, it is very accessible to put it here in the inspector, means we can access it. Okay, so we can change the value even. So yeah, that's about array. So yeah, guys, for example, I want to change. Okay, so the elements are all here. Alright, because we have put the value. Okay, so we cannot change it, but that's the meaning of making it public. If it's not public, we cannot access it here. It will just gonna appear here in the console. Alright, so I think that's all about array. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy and see you guys next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.